KZZ31, of course.
Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the south central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, west central Mercer County, and central New Jersey.
Wait, we got new SVR from Mount Holly. Philadelphia. No first in New Jersey. West County. Is it for Philadelphia? No, it's not for Philadelphia.
Until 3 p.m.
Bro, this is a crazy one.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Lansdale, or 18 miles north
What the heck
of
is this?
Philadelphia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Wow.
Source, radar indicated. Impact.
Protection moved to an interior room on the
Power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Lansdale.
Bro, I swear, if a tornado warning gets issued for my area, I'm cooked. Because that storm is heading for me. And I think they might issue it for me. Or not. If the storm is weakening, the tornado storm.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle
Goodness,
on flooded
what the heck?
roadways.
I'm trying to upload my videos, but they just don't let me do it.